Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a margarita. Gather tequila, triple sec, fresh lime juice, simple syrup, salt, ice, and a shaker, and let's get started. Combine 2 ounces tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce lime juice, and 0.5 ounce simple syrup in a shaker with ice. Shake until chilled, rim the glass with salt, and strain over fresh ice for a bright, balanced cocktail you can enjoy at home. Use fresh limes and measure ingredients precisely to balance sweetness and acidity. Make simple syrup by boiling equal parts sugar and water until dissolved, then cool. Chill your shaker and glass ahead of time, and use plenty of ice to properly dilute the drink when shaking. Taste and adjust sweetness or tequila levels, adding more lime if too sweet or a splash of water if too strong. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps drinks cold all day and fits most cup holders, perfect between cocktails to stay hydrated. It's a handy companion when muddling or shaking and helps pace your drinking responsibly. It makes a great gift for cocktail lovers. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the shaker feels very cold, which signals proper dilution. To rim a glass, rub a lime wedge around the rim and dip it into coarse salt or tagine for a spicy twist. Strain into a rocks glass over fresh ice or serve straight up in a chilled coupe for a cleaner sip. Garnish with a lime wheel and serve immediately to enjoy peak freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.